Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a front door jamb. First, gather your essential tools: a pry bar, hammer, utility knife, measuring tape, and safety glasses. Next, purchase a new door jamb kit or individual pieces that precisely match your door's dimensions. Carefully remove the existing trim around the door frame. Then, thoroughly inspect the old jamb for any damage, rot, or wear, which will guide your replacement process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient project. Now, let's remove the old jamb. Use a reciprocating saw or a handsaw to cut through the old jamb at several points, making it easier to extract. Gently pry the old jamb pieces away from the door framing, being very mindful of any nails or screws that might still be embedded. Once all pieces are out, clean the door frame thoroughly. Remove any debris, old caulk, or fasteners to ensure a clean and level surface for your new installation. This step is crucial for a proper fit. With the old jamb removed, it's time to install the new one. First, dry fit the new jamb pieces to ensure a perfect fit within the door frame before permanent installation. This allows for any necessary adjustments. Next, apply shims as needed to ensure the jamb is perfectly plumb and level, checking frequently with a spirit level. Finally, secure the new jamb to the door frame using appropriate screws, typically 2.5 to 3 inches long, ensuring a sturdy and lasting installation. For the finishing touches, carefully reinstall your door and check for smooth operation and proper latching. Make any minor adjustments to the hinges if necessary. Next, apply caulk around both the exterior and interior edges of the new jamb to seal any gaps, providing weatherproofing and improving energy efficiency. Finally, reattach the door trim, ensuring it is flush and aesthetically pleasing. This completes your door jamb replacement, leaving you with a secure and professional-looking entrance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.